Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys are watching Psychic Jyoti, and in this video we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Pisces. So watch this video if you're a Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. The name is also popping on the screen. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Pisces rising myself. So let's see messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces, please. Hold on a second. From 17th to the end of month, end of July 2021. Okay, Justice card. Are you dealing with something legal these days, Pisces? Because I'm a Pisces rising and I am dealing with something legal. So oh my god, this card is just blowing my mind. So some of you you might be dealing with something legal these days, and let me tell you that if you are the one who's doing the correct things, like you are on the right side, and you have been fair in your dealings, then the justice is going to be served to you, and I see that nothing will happen to you and everything is going to go really well. Now when it comes to love, I see, Pisces, that you were waiting for somebody to make a decision towards you. You were waiting for this person to stop juggling you and finally tell you what it is, and this person has been neglecting the situation for some time. You might be dealing with a Libra, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Somebody was not making a decision. They were basically not giving you a straightforward answer. They were trying to hide things. They were trying to dodge the question. Every time you ask them about commitment, they will just try to divert the topic, or they would not pay much attention. Some of you, this person might have also told you things like they're very busy with their career, or something is just keeping them very busy. So I see that you feel very frustrated when it comes to love, because you want a clear idea, clear communication from somebody, and this person either juggles you with something or someone, or they're just not paying attention. Okay, Five of Cups. This is leading to a lot of disappointment, or I should say this has led to a lot of disappointment in the recent past for you, Pisces. You are very disappointed because this person did not give you what you wanted, but the good news here is that though you are focused on what you have lost, you're not trying to focus on what you still have. So you are looking at these 3 cups that are spilled, but there are 2 cups still full behind you, which you're not paying attention. So I see that you still have love around you. There is somebody around you. Could be a friend of yours, could be someone that you already know. So when you are busy picking up your broken pieces of your last relationship, or the cheating or juggling, there is somebody here waiting for you to basically get back on track so that they can make a move towards you. This person might be an emotional support these days, but I see somebody wants more from you, but you're not even paying attention. And with the 4 of Cups, again, it's a card of discontentment. So some of you are very closed off to love these days because of your past experiences. You do not really give anybody a chance. You do not want to give anybody a chance. You're very skeptical and scared of love. And your message with the 4 of Cups and 5 of Cups is that though you're trying to focus more on the negative, or you're trying to obviously isolate yourself and not talk to anybody because somebody has done you bad, the message is that you still have opportunity, and there's still someone around you who has their eye on you, but you're not paying attention. So pay attention, keep yourself open to opportunities these days. Some of you might also be indulged in drinking, like addictive drinking. Stop doing that. Over drinking, etc. Stop doing that. Page 1. Again, see, that's a very beautiful message. I see that definitely you've gone through something very painful, and I see some of you, you're getting memories from the past which are kind of scratching your heart, and it's bleeding again. You kind of tried to get out of a situation, but there is something, or situation happened, or something happened. You got reminded of your past, and it is again bleeding. But the message is that you have someone around you. Could be a new person. Some of you, it is a friend. This person wants your time. They want to be in your life. They want to basically bring in that spark in your life that you are missing. All right, that spark and the enthusiasm and the fun has basically gone out of your life, and this person here is ready to give that to you, but you're not paying attention. So kindly pay attention. Some of you also have 2 people, so maybe you are very focused on your past, but there is someone else. So there could be a communication coming from 2 people again, but your message that's very loud and clear here is that Pisces, that you're very, very focused on the negative. All right, so let me call you out. I'm not saying that you're a negative human. I'm just saying that I know, when something really major happens, no matter how many times you try to forget it and move on, something just feels very unstuck. So something feels very stuck. You're trying to unstuck yourself from the situation, from the devil. You're trying to go back to Lovers. You're trying to remove these chains that still hold you to a past experience and free yourself. I see that, but it's taking time. All right, so you try to do it, but then you again go back. You try to do it and then you go back again. So I see a push and pull is happening in your life. Some of you also see your money looks really good. So maybe you're diverting all your attention towards personal growth, money, you're hitting gym, eating clean, whatever. It is working. 10 of Cups. This is so beautiful. You definitely have a potential for a very long-term commitment. Some of you, there is someone who is realizing their feelings for you after putting you through so much. Now they realize that you are the one. This person was not opening their mouth in the past. I see somebody is changed. You changed somebody with your good deeds and actions is what I see, because from the devil, this person might have become the Lover and the 10 of Cups. So I see maybe some of you, it's a fuckboy turning into a husband or a fuck girl turning into a wife, that kind of a situation. And for others of you, it's a new person. So for different people, it's going to be a different situation. But even if it's your friend, even if it's a new person, I see it's somebody you already know. Could be a water sign, could be a Gemini for some of you. So yeah, I see that. Somebody wants to be in your life and this person wants to make amends. And this is the same person that was not opening their mouth in the past. They just never expressed themselves and now they want to. Finally, somebody is breaking their silence is what I see. Moon card. And the Knight of Swords. See again. Somebody here was just very quiet in their approach in the past. Now this person wants to rush towards you. Are you feeling the energy already? Some of you might be feeling already that something is going to happen very soon. So this is your message. I see this person used to keep a lot of secrets, but now they want to come towards you because some of you, this person realizes that you're moving on. I see that you might also be into manifestation and etc. You have really significantly changed your life and you continue to do so. Some of you, you're waiting for a quantum leap in your life. I see that's coming in. That's really coming in. And I also see that some of you were manifesting this communication from the person who was very, very quiet. Like this person, they just opened their mouth for eating and nothing else. I see now they will be speaking to you. All right, what else? 8 of Pentacles. I keep on getting this, that though this person is coming towards you, you might not pay attention in the beginning. Some of you, you feel that it is too late. And some of you also feel that you don't have time for love. You feel that you're very busy in your life, especially your money, your stability, you're very focused on that, and some of you feel you don't have time, or at least you will show to this person that you don't have time. So you're not going to be available for them so quickly. You want this person to come correct and come properly towards you with like a commitment thing. Otherwise, you feel that this person should not bother you at all. You have done a lot of inner work and you are finally in a very good position. The 9 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. You are manifesting all these good things. Money, stability, some of you manifesting a home. So you might be buying a house or something. So I see that you're very focused on your own growth, that you do not want bullshit, you do not want drama. Though you want to hear from this person, you might be doing that, waiting for it, but you're not waiting there. You're not sitting and waiting for this person. It's like you want this person to come towards you and come correct, but you're not waiting for them. That's the message. And this person, I see somebody is going to be very, very, very open this time. Whoever was not speaking in the past, I see now they're going to speak with a lot of emotions, overflowing emotions. This person is going to be very emotional when they talk to you this time. They will be telling you things like, I never realized your worth in the past. I'm so sorry, should not have done this. See, this person wants to balance things. Some of it's a Sagittarius. This person really had a hard time opening up. Some of you, this person is in a very good position in their career, or they are very mature than you. They had a hard time being open about their feelings to you. Like, you know how some people, they think that if somebody expresses their feelings, they are weak. So this person might have thought like that, or they thought that they will be egoistic to you, and you will fall for them. You will compromise on your self-respect, and you will bow to them. When they saw you did not, now this person is realizing that they screwed up. And some of you, I also feel that this is like a extra message that some of you, you're dealing with someone who's very busy. Like career-wise, this person is very busy. Alright, what is Pisces feelings for this person? King of Pentacles, you want stability from them. You want this person to come correct and be mature. And you want them to make a decision. In the past, they were juggling you. And now you feel like if they cannot make a decision, they can just fuck off. So you got no time to waste. You want this person to make a clear decision and tell you, otherwise leave. And some of you, you've really gone through a very, very tough situation. See, this person, they never confess their feelings. Some of you, this person was dealing with someone else. You got to know about it. Something came out very unexpectedly. You never expected this person to behave in the way they did in the past. So that is why this time you're very scared. And for others, if it's a new person, it's a new person that's coming towards you. Very good, beautiful connection. And for some of you, this person is changed. They are coming as a new person. Whatever it is, I see you getting into calm waters. Some of you definitely have more than one choice. So maybe a water sign and an air sign, or water and earth. Let me know in the comments if you're talking to two people, or if you have two people on your mind. You might definitely be getting communication from two different people. And I see that one is an ex and the other could also be a friend. Like, you know both of them. It's not a new person, entirely new. I don't see that. Okay. Give me the future energy, please. Page of Cups. Again, communication. And Page of Cups is also an Ace of Wands. Somebody wants to start over with you. This person really wants to start over you. I see a very major energy of reconciliation here. And if you are a Pisces who's not looking for reconciliation, honey, this is not your reading. Don't be bitter in the comment section. Just go and watch something else. Some other sign of yours. I've uploaded. I definitely see somebody wants to fix things with you. And they want to apologize. They want to start over again because they know they messed. Two of Pentacles. Do I have to say something else? Two equally good choices in love. Two equally good people in your life, equally good. Because your past person has also changed. You really changed this person, or they've matured. I don't know what happened. As I already said, a fuck boy or a fuck girl has become a husband or a wife material. See again the Hierophant. Somebody has healed and changed over time. It could be a Taurus or an Aquarius. Some of you, two people, Taurus and Aquarius. Somebody is going to talk about long-term commitment, stability this time. What did you do to them? Did you do some spell? From your side, Pisces, I still see that you also have feelings. You also want a commitment. You also want a closure, or you also want some sort of mutual agreement, but you are not ready to put up with their bullshit. That's what the Strength card is. You are standing up for yourself. You're not bowing to this person. You're not bowing down to this person. You are not compromising on your self-respect, and you're not putting up with their bullshit. You are like, if you want to be in my life, come up clean and be straight. Don't beat around the bush. That's what it is. You have really worked on your inner strength, and you've become very strong these days, like emotionally, physically, mentally. This person actually gave you some major lessons, life lessons, and you've become very strong. Ace of Pentacles. Your money looks really good. Six of Cups again. There is someone from the past, maybe two people from the past coming back, and I see your money improving. So some of you, your money situation is going to improve. Give your relationship a chance. I definitely see somebody missed a chance with you, and now they want to come back. And I see that you have grown so much in your life. Strength, Ace of Pentacles. You are in a very good position, and you have done a lot of work on yourself, wedding. Somebody is going to talk about commitment and marriage this time. Some of you, Pisces, very close to getting married. Maybe you might get married in next 8 months, maybe. Alright, give me a message for Pisces. Chemistry. There's a very, oh my god, see, again the same thing. You are trying to release this person, however there is a very strong magnetic attraction between both of you. So you think it is done, you think no, I don't want them, I'm done with them. You think it is done, it is not. This person still wants something with you because there is a past life connection. I was stressing on this, right? Somebody from past, somebody from past, somebody from past. And here it is, the final message. So that was your reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.